Can you give Maddie a kiss?
Maddie a kiss? Oh. Gentle.
Bubble. Bubble. Bubble.
Bubble?
Bubble.
I see your stinky feet.
Can you give Maddie loves? Gentle. Very good.
Aiden wants a kiss. Love. What else can you tell me? I see your stinky footsies. Oh, stinky footsies. Ah.
Funny.
You're funny. Who's your favorite Cars? Do you like Sally? McQueen? That's it? I'm not going to get anything out of you?
Ciao.
Kerchow.
Oh,